Welcome to iBiZZtax channel.
So let us move back to notes to account. Okay, so once you finish, you complete the data entry here. Okay, you will always need to remember, you need to click on update section 39.1 so that the figures which are disallowed will flow to the adjustment and claims part of the tax computation module. Okay, so let me show you another one where I've shown you whichever cases that we already add back 100%. So for those that we add back 50%, how do we present it? So entertainment, okay, let's say it's a 5K. All right, so we add the details. Maybe you have entertainment with existing clients. Okay, so you actually will have a 50% tax deduction. So you will key in the full figure instead of 50% of 5K because our system will automatically calculate the 2005 for you. So you just need to take on section 39.1 and click on submit. Then the 2005 will appear in this column. Alright, so for this, remember to always click on update 39.1 when you add on a new note or you make amendments to your note so that the amount reflected will be correct. Alright, so for this part, it's how we key in the notes to account. Alright, and also y'all maybe when y'all visit this, like doing the notes to account, you also know that there's a text mode that we have built, and for this, right, we actually have it built so that because sometimes when we prepare the notes to account, we may want to explain further or put in income tax laws or what, or the public rulings that we are referring to or period orders that we are referring to. So when we add on sentences, when we click on text mode, then the figure will not appear. Alright, so let me show you. For now, I show you how it looks like, how the note looks like. Alright, so this is actually the note. We have the figures all here. Alright, so let's say for sundry expenses, printing materials, I want to change the note. I want to add on more details. Alright, so let's say for the printing expenses, I change it to something else. Be service fee. Then I would like to indicate in a note, like maybe I would like to put a note here, I put a star here. Okay, and then actually I want to disallow this amount. Okay, so service fee, so I add another detail and indicate what's the service fee for. So maybe it's for example, let's say we want to say, for example, we want to mention that withholding tax is not applicable as services overseas. Okay, so we do not have an amount. So when we click on submit and when we print, there's a 0 here, right? So what we can do is we have actually included this text mode so that when you key in this line to do explanation, click on text mode and you go for submit, and when you print out, the 0 will not appear. Alright, so this is the function of text mode for our notes to account. Okay, so the next step after you update, after like what I say, we update section 39.1, these figures will flow to adjustment and claims.